My name is Kundan. You are once again welcome to Know Civil Engineering. Today we are going to discuss on DPT test, dye penetrant test, which is a type of non-destructive test. DPT test is also known as liquid penetrant test or liquid penetrant inspection or simply penetrant test. It helps to detect the discontinuities such as surface cracks, porosity, pinholes, etc., which are not easily visible to the naked eye. We generally require three chemicals, that is penetrant, cleaner and developer. It works on the principle of capillary action due to intermolecular attraction, by virtue of which liquid tends to seep into any narrow opening on surface like fissure cracks, even against gravity. The first step is surface preparation. The surface must be cleaned thoroughly to make it free from any contaminants. For cleaning, one can use dry cloths, solvents, cleaner, remover, etc., depending on the condition of the surface to be inspected. Penetrant application. After a deep cleaning, penetrant is applied. Penetrant is a red colored liquid. It can be applied on the surface by brush or by spraying or by immersing the entire surface in a penetrant bath. Now, keep the substrate as it is for a certain period of time during which the liquid seeps into the flaws if present on the surface due to capillary action. That certain time period is called dwell time, which are different for different chemicals or materials, etc. The penetrant manufacturer generally mentions this dwell period on the product itself. Now, after the recommended dwell period, we are supposed to remove all the penetrant applied on the surface except those which got entered into the flaws. After the removal of extra penetrants, the developer is then applied over it and keep it for 10 minutes, that is development time, during which it sucks and brings all the entrapped penetrant on the surface from the flaws if present. Since the penetrant is a red color liquid and the developer is a white color liquid, it helps the penetrant to appear in a sharp red color. Hence, we can easily identify the flaws if present. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही। आपके लिए आज का मेरा सवाल है कि राउंडेड और एंगुलर एग्रीगेट में कौन सा एग्रीगेट अच्छा होता है, कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद दोस्तों।